Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to create a Mailchimp account from scratch. Let's get started. First you need to open any of web browser, then you need to search mailchimp.com. So this is homepage of Mailchimp where you will start your journey with Mailchimp. Now you need to click on the sign up button top corner of homepage. Mailchimp offers a free plan that's perfect to getting started. So we can simply click here free plans. So if you look here, basically Mailchimp provide three plans. One is essential, another is standard, then next one is premium. So at this moment we are going to create this account for learning purpose, so we will select this sign up for free. Now before fill out this information, make sure if you use this account for business purpose, put your business information there. Now you can enter your email address. I just choose the email address from there. You can put your business email address. Now we need to select a username. Okay, so I am add a number also here so that we can use the perfect username. Now we need to choose a strong password. We need to combine the password using uppercase and lowercase so that it will be unique. Now if you want to get update from Mailchimp like promotional emails or anything, if you want to receive from Mailchimp, simply untick mark this one. If you tick mark this one, Mailchimp will be not send you any kind of email from them. Now we have already put our information, everything. Now we need to check our email. Where Mailchimp provide a email, we need to active our account. We just need to simply click here active account, so it will be redirect us this page where we need to put our personal information. I just put my information, same way you can put yours as well. So this phone number field is recommended. If you want to use, you can add it. I just skip it right now. So this is important thing. Same way, if you use this account for business purpose, you need to put your business address. I just use a random address here. Then I am click here next. So on this section, how do you sell to your customers? So if you have online website or if you have physical location or any of them, you can select. If you have not any of them there, you can just select this one. We are not currently selling. So on this section, which purpose you are going to use this Mailchimp account, we can select this one, grow my list of email subscriber, or you can skip it. On this section, Mailchimp will be asking which feature you are going to use. So simply we can select here email templates, advanced reporting, SMS marketing, A/B testing. You can select all of them or you can skip it. This is not a problem. Now at this moment, this is the important thing. If you want to add your website link, so it will be better. So Mailchimp will be get your brand, color, logo, everything. They will automatically collect from your website. So right now I am going to skip this one also. Now Mailchimp will be asking us confirm our industry. So we are going to create this account for educational purpose. So I just select it as your, if you are e-commerce industry, then you can choose your industry. So at this moment Mailchimp asking our audience range. So I am just select 0 to 500. If you select more than 500, you need to move with Mailchimp upgrade plan. So when you are going to create account, make sure select 0 to 500. Click on next, or you can skip this as well as. You can see here Mailchimp asking to purchase this plans. So don't need to worry at all. You can just simply scroll down, make sure select here continue with free. Now Mailchimp will be prepare your account. So your account is ready. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Mailchimp account. Take some time to explore dashboard and get familiar with the Mailchimp tools. For more detailed tutorials and tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.